Okay, so one other question that's come up is how do you trace on this stuff? So I've got a little piece of CTP under here, and I've got some little pictures of some seagulls, and I thought I would show you 3 different materials. So this is typical carbon paper. I use this all the time on Yupo. And I'm just going to use a ballpoint pen. I like to do that in a color so I can see where I've traced. So I'm applying pretty normal pressure to these birds. I'm not going to get real crazy with the details. We just want to see what works in general. I mean, can we even see this guy? And then if we can't see it, what can we do about it? Okay. So that is on carbon paper. Can hardly see anything at all. Now, if I could see enough to trace with my pen, I could go back over it, gray the pen, and you could trace it again, but you need really, really good eyes to see what's been put on with the carbon paper. I mean, what's nice is this will all wipe back to white. You can get rid of it, but not very helpful. Okay, so then I have 2 different kinds of graphite paper. This one is Craft Smart Graphite Paper. This is from Michaels. And I have been told that if you have a little sheet of it, it'll last your whole life. We'll try this next little guy. The image is kind of small, but we just want to get the idea of what we can do for tracing. Okay, let's take a look at that. Okay, so that's really nice. That's the Craft Smart Graphite. And then the third one is from Speedball. And this is Monalisa Graphite. So we'll come over here and work on this little seagull. The Speedball Monalisa feels like there's a little bit more plastic when you touch it to the paper itself. But other than that, okay. So that works just as well. So I guess the key here is use graphite paper. So when I pressed heavier, you can see it was darker. So you can decide on your pressing how much you want, how dark you want your tracing to come up.